theorem, the ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Now we have three parallel lines, line L, M, N. These lines are parallel to each other, and T1 is a transversal meeting the parallel lines or intercepting the parallel lines in points A, B and C. These 3 points it is intercepting A, B and C. The other transversal T2 is intercepting in points P, Q and R. Now if we read the ratio of the intercepts, so the ratio of AB upon AC, the ratio of the intercepts AB is, and the other is BC, AB and BC, the ratio of AB to BC, we have to prove it to be equal to ratio of PQ, ratio of PQ and ratio of QR. That is, we have to prove that AB upon BC, AB upon BC, AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR, PQ upon QR. This we have to prove. We have studied the basic proportionality theorem. Now let us consider the triangle PCR. In this triangle, line M, this line M is parallel to line N. Therefore we can say that segment DQ is parallel to segment CR. Therefore, according to basic proportionality theorem, PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. Now consider the other triangle, that is triangle ACP. Similarly, we can say that because M is parallel to base AP, we can consider AP to be the base of this triangle, and BD, because M is parallel to AP, M is parallel to L, therefore BD is parallel to AP. Therefore we can say that AB, or we can say CB upon BA is equal to CD upon DP, or therefore we can say that AB, writing the inverse of it, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. From 1 and 2, 1 and this is 2, we have PD upon DC common. PD upon DC. PD upon DC is common. Therefore, we can conclude that AB upon BC, this ratio AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR.